I am so excited because today we are doing a first impression slash tryout of the Cweixi 7-in-1 Airstyler. I did not want to unbox this without y'all. I really wanted to just give my this is how I feel about this. First of all, I will say the box is heavy, and look at this beautiful case. It's got that orange. I love this color. But this Airstyler comes with a pre-styling dryer, a smoothing brush, hair volumizing brush, a 30mm hair curling barrel, and a 40mm hair curling barrel. I am so happy because I have a lot of hair styling tools, and y'all know I don't have a lot of space in my house. So the fact that this all comes, this is gonna replace all of my hair styling tools just in this one case. It's so pretty. It's pretty good quality too. I like the detail. Everything's really nice. It feels like leather. I don't know if it is leather or not, but it feels like that. It's got some pull locks on the front. So just ooh, and it's like I don't know if it's real velvet, but it's got that nice velvety material. And then you can see the top right here. 3 speed settings and 4 heat settings and 1 touch self-clean. So we've got a cool, warm, hot, hot, self-cleaning mode, a cool shot, the power on and off switch, a low speed, medium speed, and high speed for the blow dryer. Very, very cool. I like that. Ooh. Everything's wrapped individually, which is also very nice and helpful. Did I tell y'all that Cweixi sent me this Airstyler? So that makes it even more exciting to have fun. So here is the main component that we're gonna put all of our attachments to. The cord is in a box, and then this is wrapped so it stays really nice. It's a really pretty, which y'all will see up closes and everything, it's a really pretty purple color, like a lavender or a lilac, and then it's got this nice, almost like a rose gold accent. So I like that, and everything does. Oh my gosh, this is just a nice added bonus. I didn't even know it was going to come with these. But these are going to be very helpful when we are doing our hair. My plan is I want to try out this whole thing. So I want to use the round brush for volume. So I'm very excited about that. And y'all know I am an ex-cosmetologist. I went to Paul Mitchell, the school, in 2012. I graduated in 2014 in hair cutting honors, which is where you pick a style, color, cuts, perms, things like that, and you focus highly on that type of technique, and then you can get honors. So this is the blow dryer attachment, which I'm excited about because my hair, it feels cold. I washed it earlier, and I didn't dry it yet, but I do want to run the blow dryer through my hair just to make sure everything is super dry before we use all the hair tools. And we've got a bunch of these in different sizes. Also got this brush to straighten our hair. And then there are 4 of these curling rods at all different sizes to be attached, which makes it really nice. I'm taking the paper off of these so that y'all can see them. Everything is made with negative ions, which, if you did not know, is great for smoothing your hair follicle. So if you have hair like mine, it's very, I feel like I have a lot of hair, but it's fine. So it looks frizzy. It looks like everything's trying to fly away on me. So negative ions just help kind of bring everything together and smooth out your hair. Which is going to be really nice and helpful for all of us. Okay, and then this one is a huge one. So I like that there are multiple. That way you can do different curling techniques with each one. Or if you want to have bigger curls in one section of your hair and smaller curls, tighter curls in other sections, you can do that. So very exciting. Very exciting. So I have unpackaged everything and then put everything back. That way y'all can see how it is displayed. It's really pretty. Nothing's gonna get lost in here. Everything has its own little compartment. And also like that it's got the velvet material, so nothing's gonna get scratched while it's in here. Nothing's gonna be moving around. So this is great for traveling. Also just at home when you want to grab your hair tools and not have to mess with a bunch of cords, which is my biggest issue with having a lot of hair tools, that you can't just take a part off and then attach the other part. So that's my biggest win when it comes to this product, and just giving a first impression, is that I don't have to worry about all the cords and having to maintain all the cords of my hair tools. Because in my bathroom right now, if you see where all of my hair tools are, they are fighting with each other in the cords. They're all like wrapped up and stuff. So that is my biggest, you know, sell point, I think would be the correct term for this, is that it's just one cord, and specifically the cord goes in the bottom right here, and then the rod itself, this fits in right there, and then that piece goes on top. So very nice that you only have to deal with one cord, and this cord does have a Velcro strip so that you can just wrap it up like that and fold it and then put it back in your tool case. Okay, let's go get our hair styled with some air. I just have to say, this blow dryer is impressive. And that was just cold air. Like, that is impressive. Look. Just the blow dryer. Just the blow dryer. How did we go from this? Look at the... Now that's the volume. But the next thing I want to do is flat iron my hair. And I'm going to be using the brush, but I also want to use the round brush. So I'll use the flat brush to flat iron, but I want to use the round brush to get some volume up here. For reference, I am 35 and I do have, I would say, thinning through this area, and especially, we're getting personal here, through here, the crown. So I want to get a lot of volume up here on the crown, and I am going to clip this half first and not do this half, and I'm just going to do this half. That way y'all can get a really good reference of what the tools can do. Alright, now this is just using the brush to straighten my hair, which is very nice because I personally, now it probably depends on how much hair you have, but I didn't have to section the hair off, so I just did some overs and unders, you know, just to make sure everything was how I would like it. So this is straight to me, and it's shiny. I love that shine right there. You see it? That's shine. So I love that because, to be honest, y'all, I did not use any hair products. No creams, no sprays, no nothing. I just washed with shampoo and conditioner and then got out of the shower because I wanted to make sure that whatever y'all saw from these tools was from the tools and not any kind of hair styling products I used. So this is just with shampoo and conditioner, nothing else, and I just really liked that. So now I'm going to start putting some of these attachments away because I've got them all pulled out. So I just got done using this one, just the flat brush to flatten our hair, and then our hair dryer, which is right here. I use the round brush, so it's got two different types of bristles. It's got the boar's head bristles, like a toothbrush, and then it's got the softer ones right here that come on, you know what I mean. It's got a mix of both. So the boar's hair bristles, that helps with making your hair shiny, and then these bigger water teeth, those are just gonna help like make sure nothing's tangled or anything. I really like how that goes through because sometimes these scare me. I've seen them get stuck in people's hair, but it's going through nicely. So I just want to see what kind of volume we can get because this is pretty flat. Actually, for this, I need to bring y'all down. Now you can really see where everything is on the top. Let's see if we can get some volume going. Alright, so here is the difference in volume. So I've not done the other side yet, but I do feel like it gave me a little bit of volume. This clip might help show y'all better. I can tell. So there's where that stops, and then this is just up a little bit higher. So I am going to do this side, and then I also want to do some curls too, so y'all can see what it would look like with curled hair. I just did this other side. Look how much volume I have right there. That's crazy. Normally this hair is like flat to my head, especially if it's been more than a day of shampoo. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that is very impressive. Also, I took the end of it and I did curl it in a little bit. That way that just looks kind of like it's been styled more. And I did take my hair and kind of do like that. For the round, the curling rods, I want to do something like in the middle. So there's quite a few. There's 4 options, and they range in sizes, so they're pretty big. These are pretty big. I think I'm going to use this one, which is the smallest one in here. And then I think I'm going to use one of these big ones to do this area as well, because I don't like having my hair in my face. So I'm going to use one of the big ones to give me some curls right here, just to kind of frame the face. I'm super excited. I've got a long hair, so this is going to be fun. So the curling iron just wraps your hair up with the air itself, so you don't have to touch it or anything. So I just pulled a section of hair, I moved it to the bottom of the hair, and then it curled up on its own, and then I just started to roll and help it along. But that is how simple it is. I really like this. I can't wait to show y'all how my hair turned out. Alright y'all, my hair is done. It looks so pretty. I do recommend this. I think this is for anybody, but I especially think that this 7-in-1 Airstyler is for people that do not have a lot of time. A lot of y'all are moms, so I know your time is very valuable to you. So I would suggest this to moms for sure. Anyone that doesn't want to spend a lot of time getting ready every day, this is definitely for you. I feel like I could actually style my hair every day if I wanted to, because I'm not having to do all these different things before I even get to styling. Like, you can literally just dry your hair if you've just washed it and then style away and you're good to go. Everything's there, so you could do curls, you could do waves, you can have straight hair, you can have curls at the end of your hair, you can have them flip out. Like, there's so many different styles, lots of versatility when it comes to this product. So if you like, also if you like one product that does a lot of things, a little bit of multitasking, I especially love that, especially if you have a small space. So also, if you've got a small space, I don't have a lot of college age people, but I think college starts in September. If you're going to college and you need to have a lot of style options, but you are in a dorm room and you don't have a lot of space, you could literally put this case under your bed and it's not going to take up any room at all. Love it. And you don't have to worry about anything getting misplaced or anything like that, because it's all in the orange case. So the case is definitely something that I appreciate. I appreciate the quality, the detail, all of that in these. And I will leave this 7-in-1 Airstyler linked in the description box down below. Now is a wonderful time to go pick yourself up one. Or if you're already shopping for gifts, then I would suggest getting this for someone that loves to do their hair or wants to do their hair but doesn't always have time to do it, so they stick it up in a ponytail. Tell them about this, or get this for them and be like, hey, I was thinking of you when I got this. Here you go. You're welcome. Nice gift. Anyways, thank you so much to Cweixi for partnering me on today's video. Definitely check them out in the description box down below. Get your 7-in-1 Airstyler, and I will see y'all back here very soon for a brand new video.